Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're exploring the Translucent Icon Maker, an online tool that lets you turn any icon into a semi-transparent PNG in just a few clicks created by BrowserLink. Perfect for creating subtle, see-through icons for websites, apps, or interface designs. Open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head to Translucent Icon Maker. Just paste your icon in the input editor, adjust the transparency level in the options, and you'll instantly get a translucent PNG icon in the output field. It's quick, simple, and super powerful. In the options panel, you'll find the degree of transparency setting. A lower value, closer to 0%, makes your icon more transparent and lighter, while a higher value, closer to 100%, keeps it more visible and solid. Now let's see a few real examples. Example 1, create a semi-transparent home icon for a website. First icon, a simple home symbol used in website navigation bars. We upload it to the tool, and in the options, we set the icon transparency to 70%. This gives us a slightly faded, modern-looking home icon that blends beautifully with the page design while staying recognizable. And here's the output after applying the 70% transparency. Once done, just click Save as to download your new semi-transparent home icon. Example 2, translucent bookmark icon for a mobile app. In the second example, we're working with a bookmark icon for a mobile app. We paste our PNG icon into the editor and set its icon transparency to 55%. This makes the icon visible enough to indicate its function, but soft enough not to distract users. And here's the translucent version after adjustment. To download the final bookmark icon, simply hit Save As. Example 3, see-through support icon. For our last example, we're creating a translucent support icon, commonly used in online stores for chat or help sections. We import our support icon, adjust the icon transparency to 40%, and instantly get a smooth, see-through version. This design keeps the icon always visible without blocking content or drawing too much attention when not in use. Here's the final output, a clean, balanced support icon ready to integrate. To save it, just click Save As. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our previous videos on text-to-stamp adder and PNG revealer for more creative tools. Ready to make your own see-through icons? Visit online pngtools.com, open Translucent Icon Maker, upload your icon, set your preferred transparency level, and download it instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and creative tutorials every week. See you in the next one.